Okay, welcome to all. Next session, I am going to talk about what is mean by a history panel. The problem what you will working on PhD's files in editing. Sometime you will do a mistakes. You think that okay I done a mistake. How can I correct it? There is a history panel. You can do the selection or what is a mistake you have done. You can easily correct through the history panel. I talked about one feature is called Control Z, undo the last action. How many times you press Control undo? Last three steps you want to undo means Control Z two times, three times. But the same thing you can able to do with history panel. Next, I am going to teach what is meant by history panel, how to work on history panel. So now I am going to learn the history panel. Where is the history panel is available? I am just is already open. So window, then there is a history. So history panel, see now you can see the file is open. So now the next step I am going to do, I am unlocking the layer. So now the background layer is locked, then it is zero, layer zero, that is happened. Again, what I am going to do, I am going to brush here with the color. I'm increasing the opacity, then you can see more colors. So that is captured here. Again, I am drawing with a shade. I'm doing multiple action. I am changing the color. Okay, whatever the actions I am doing here, you can see everything is reflecting on that. So now if I want to go to the brush position, we can just click here. This is the position I use the brush. And all the below areas are, you can see that it is grayed out. Now if you draw something here, all these below areas will be grayed out. You cannot retrieve that. That is one the default of this using this. I am click here, I can see that, and this step I can see, this step I can see, this step, and initial step also you can see. I can back to here. Only one step above I can stop. Now two step above. Then here I am using the brush tool. Uh, Now you can see all below areas, all the below actions are deleted. One more way you can undo the action, that is called Control Z. From the menus also you can do that, edit, Control Z, and you can redo it, edit, redo, edit, redo. So this is a way you can work on the history panel. This is very useful. If you are doing the mistake, you can correct this error immediately. So that's why the history panel is created. There is a lot of options are there in the history panel also. You can also, I will teach you later. But basically now you can understand that this is a way history panel is working.